Hello students of class 10. This is your exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1, question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Okay, so a TV tower, let's say this is the TV tower AB. In here the diagram it is given in your book. Okay, from a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From this point, the angle of elevation from this point it is 60 degree given, and from another point 20 meter away from this point, 20 meter away from this point, let's call it D. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal, CB I want to find. So in here, first of all, I will take this triangle. In triangle ACB, 1060, it will be is equals to AB by CB. 1060, it is root 3 is equals to AB by CB. So root 3 into CB is equals to AB I will get. This is equation 1. Next, I will take this whole triangle. In triangle ABD, 1030, okay, 1030 it is equals to AB by DB I will get. 1030 means 1 by root 3 is equals to AB by DB. So this one ultimately DB by root 3 is equals to AB I will get. DB means DC plus CB by root 3 is equals to AB I will get. Okay, this is our equation number 2. So now you see from 1 and 2 what I got. From 1 and 2 I can write that root 3 CB, this is equals to DC plus CB by root 3 I will get. Okay, from 1 and 2. So root 3 if I send this side, I will get 3 CB is equals to DC plus CB I will get. Okay, now if I send CB this side, I will get twice CB is equals to DC I will get. So CB is equals to DC by 2, and DC value it is given 20 meter. So CB is equals to 20 by 2. So CB is equals to 10 meter I will get. Understand? CB is equals to 10 meter I got. So therefore this value, this 10 meter value, if I put it in equation 1, okay, this 10 meter value, if I put it in equation 1, then I can get the height of the tower, that is our AB. So therefore height of the tower I will get, therefore height of the tower I will get, CB value if I put it in this equation, I will get 10 root 3 meter is equals to AB I will get. Okay, so this is very easy question. Next I will go to question number 11. Okay, next I will go to question number 11. Next I will go to question number 12. Question number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So from the top of a 7-meter high building, okay, from the top of a 7-meter high building, let's take this is AB, this is the 7-meter high building. Okay, this is the 7-meter high building. From the top of the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower, this is another one tower there, cable tower, this is another CD, this is another tower there. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. Okay, from this point the angle of elevation is 60 degree. and the angle of depression of its foot, and the angle of depression, this is the angle of depression. Okay, this is the angle of depression. The angle of depression is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Okay, determine the height of the tower. This CD I have to find. So if this is 60 degree, this is 45 degree, then this angle it will be also 45 degree. Understand? So first of all, I will take this triangle. In triangle ABD, okay, in triangle ABD, tan 45 degree, it is equals to AB by BD I will get. Tan 45 means 1, AB value 7 there, by BD I will get. So ultimately BD is equals to 7 meter I will get. BD is equals to 7 meter I will get. So since BD is equals to, this is, let's call it E. Since BD is equals to 7 meter, so therefore AE will be also 7 meter. Understand? AE will be also 7 meter. So now I will take in triangle ACE. Okay, in triangle AACE, this triangle I will take. Again in here, again I will use tan 60. This is equals to CE by AE. Tan 60 means root 3. So root 3 is equals to CE by AE I will get. So root 3 AE is equals to CE I will get. And AE value, it is AE and BD. AE and BD are equal. Yes, AE and BD are equal. So therefore AE value in here I can write. In here I can write, you see, 7 root 3 is equals to CE I will get. CE I got 7 root 3 I got. Understand? And AB and ED will be equal. If AB is equal to 7 meter, then ED will be also equals to 7 meter it will become. Understand? So therefore I can say height of the tower CD is equals to CE plus ED. Height of the tower CD is equals to CE plus ED. So is equals to CE 7 root 3 plus 7. 7 if I take common, I will get 3 plus 1 meter. This is the height of the tower. Okay, this is the height of the tower. So next again, question number 13. Next again you see question number 13 here. So an observer from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse, okay, and as observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse, let's call it, this is AB, 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level. The angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. The angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, let's say this is 30 degree and this is 45 degree. Okay, CD. So if one ship, this is your normal. Okay, this is your normal angle of depression. This is 30 degree. So this will be 30 degree, and this whole angle it will be 45 degree. Okay. Sorry, in here one thing, actually this will be 30 degree. Okay, no problem, and this will be 45 degree because this is your angle of depression. Okay, this is your angle of depression. Understand? This is your angle of depression, and this angle it will be is equals to this angle, and this whole 45 degree angle it will be is equals to this angle. Okay. So this is 75 meter, not 75 meter here. So if one ship is exactly behind the other, on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. I have to find here CD. I have to find distance between the two ships. Okay, CD I have to find here. So first of all, again I will take this triangle. In triangle ABC, tan 45 degree, it will be AB by BC, BC. So tan 45 means 1, AB value it is given 75 by BC. So from here I will get BC is equals to 75 meter. I will get BC is equals to 75 meter I got. Now I will take this whole triangle. in triangle ABD, okay, in triangle ABD, again 1030 degree, 1030 degree, it will be is equals to AB by BD. So 1030 means 1 by root 3 is equals to AB is 75 and BD I can write BC plus CD. Okay, BD I can write BC plus CD. Okay, so from here I will get that BC plus CD is equals to 75 root 3 I will get. BC value it is 75 given, so in place of BC I can write 75. So 75 plus CD is equals to 75 root 3. So CD is equals to 75 root 3 minus 75. So CD is equals to 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. This is your CD. Distance between the two ship, it is 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. Understand? Next I will go to question number 14. Okay, next I will go to question number 14 here. So question number 14, in here it is said that a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal direction at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the ball from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So in here, a 1.2 meter tall girl, a 1.2 meter, let's call her AB. This is your 1.2 meter tall girl, spots a balloon moving with the wind at in a horizontal line. In a horizontal line, the balloon is moving at a height of 1.2 meter above the ground. Okay, 1.2 meter above the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. uh, it is 60 degree at any instant. It is 60 degree. Let's say if the balloon is at this point, okay, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation, it is given as 60 degree. Let's say the balloon is at this point, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. That means the balloon is moving like that. So after some time the angle of elevation reduces to let's say the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Okay, this is your 30 degree angle. The angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. And the balloon is flying at a height of 88.2 meter. Okay, the balloon is flying at a height of 88.2 meter above the ground. Above the ground. Okay, above the ground. This is the ground. Okay, A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so BC is the ground and the girl is 1.2 meter standing. Okay, height of the girl is 1.2 meter and she's standing above the ground. And so when the balloon, let's say when the balloon was at point F, the angle of elevation, it was 60 degree, and the balloon when reached point E, then the angle of elevation became 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the time interval. Okay, find the distance traveled by the balloon. This one you can join it, no problem here. So this is E, F, H, let's call it H. Okay, so this one we can call it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This one you can give it another name. You can give it K. Okay, this point you can give it K. So this one you see, when the balloon was at point F, the angle of elevation, it was 60 degree, and when the balloon reached point E, the angle of elevation became 30 degree. I have to find the distance the balloon traveled during this time interval. Distance the balloon traveled. That means either we have to find HC or KD. I have to find here. Okay, HC or KD. I have to find here. Okay, so let's call it G. Let's call it G. Okay, so first of all in here what I will do, angle of elevation given, so in this triangle I will take, okay, first of all you see FG, okay, this is FG will be is equals to FH minus GH, okay, FG will be is equals to FH minus GH. So is equals to FH, it is 88.2 meter, FH is 88.2 meter, the height of the balloon above the ground 88.2 meter, minus GH, this is the height of the girl, okay, which is 1.2. So 88.2 minus 1.2, if you do 0.7, 87 meter, you will get 87 meter. Okay, FG it is 87 meter. So therefore in triangle, this triangle I will take AFG. AFG I will take. Okay, so I will use 10 here. 1060 is equals to FG by AG. FG by AG. This will be root 3 is equals to FG. How much we got? 87 we got. And AG I don't know. So keep it like that only. So this is ultimately I will get AG is equals to 87 by root 3. So AG is equals to 87 root 3 by 3 I will get. Okay, 87 if I divide it by 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 7, 3 9s are. So this is equals to I will get 29 root 3 meter I will get. Okay, AG is equals to this is 29 root 3 meter I got. Okay, so next what I will do, I will take this whole triangle AED, in triangle AED. Okay, again tan 30 degree, this is equals to ED by AD. So tan 30 it is 1 by root 3, ED it is ED. Again ED will be equals to FG here. Okay, ED will be equals to FG. Understand? So ED it will be 87. Yes, ED it will be 87 by AD. This is by AD. Okay, we will write AD here. So AD is equals to I will get 87 root 3, and AD means what I can write? AG plus GD I can write. AG plus GD is equals to 87 root 3. So AG I have already got, it is 29 root 3 plus GD minus 87 root 3. So GD value I will get, GD is equals to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3 I will get. So GD is equals to 87 minus 29 I will get here 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 I will get, and this will be 7 minus 2 I will get here 5 I will get. So GD is equals to 58 root 3 meter I will get. So GD it is equals to HC. So therefore I can at last I can say that the distance traveled by the balloon it is equals to how much? 58 root 3 meter. This is the answer. Okay, 58 root 3 meter. Understand? You check how it is given in the notes. Okay, you do either like that or by notes you can do, no problem. Okay, so next it is question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. Let's say this is the tower, AB is the tower. Okay, a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. There is a highway there which leads to the foot of this tower. A man standing at the top of this tower, observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. Okay, angle of depression. This is angle of depression 30 degree. So this angle it will be also 30 degree only. Angle of depression is equal to 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. 6 seconds later, that is the car is coming near the tower, its angle of depression was found to be 60 degrees. So therefore this angle it will be also 60 degree. A, B, C, D, and this one P, like that you can name it. Okay, after 6 seconds the car is traveling in this way, in this the car is traveling, and after 6 seconds from point C, the car reached point D. Okay. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So from this point to when the car reached from C to D, I have to find here the time taken by the car. Okay, the time taken by the car to reach from point C to point D. Okay, so now in here what I can do is um, 6 seconds later, depression of the car was found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken to okay. Height of the tower, it is not given. Height of the tower. So in here now you see, I will take, first of all I will take this triangle ABD. Okay, in triangle ABD, tan 60 degree, this will be is equals to AB by BD. Tan 60 means root 3 is equals to AB by BD. So root 3 BD is equals to AB I will get. This is equation 1. Again I will take in triangle ABC, the bigger triangle I will get. Again I will use tan 30 degree is equals to AB by BC. Tan 30 it is 1 by root 3 is equals to AB by BC. So this is I will get BC by root 3 is equals to AB, and BC I can write BD plus DC by root 3 is equals to AB. This is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, what I get from equation 1 and 2, I can write root 3 BD is equals to BD plus DC by root 3. Okay, from equation this and this, right hand side equal there. So left hand side I can say equal. Now root 3 if I send this side, I will get 3 BD is equals to BD plus DC I will get. Okay, so twice BD is equals to DC I will get. Twice BD is equals to DC I will get. So twice BD is equals to DC I got. So therefore I can write BD is equals to DC by 2 I can write. Okay, BD is equals to DC by 2 I can write here. Wait a minute. Find the time taken. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car was found to be 60 degree. So from here to here, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. I have to take out the time taken by the car to reach from D to B. Okay, I have to take out the time taken by the car from D to B. Okay, so therefore from C to D, the time taken by the car, it was 6 seconds. From C to D, the time taken by the car, it was 6 seconds. And to reach from B to D, to reach from B to D, what I got? DC by 2 I got. Yes, DC by 2 I got. Understand? So therefore, BD is equals to DC by 2. That means the length of BD, it is what? It is half of DC. Yes, the length of BD, it is half of DC. So therefore, as the car is moving in a uniform speed, to reach from C to D, it took 6 seconds. And now to reach from D to B, how much time it will take? Because this distance is half this distance. This distance traveling for 6 seconds taking. So this distance travel for how much time it will take? As the distance is half. Time also half it will take because the car is moving in a uniform speed. Okay, so therefore, last line I can write, since I got that BD is equals to DC by 2, last line I can write distance of DC, distance of BD, distance of BD is half of DC. Okay, since the car is moving in a uniform speed, since the car is moving in a uniform speed, speed, therefore time taken by the car to cover BD will be half the time required to cover CD. Therefore, time taken by the car to cover BD, it will be what? 6 by 2, which will be is equals to 6 by 2, which will be equal to 3 seconds. Okay. So next I will go to question number 16 here. So question number 16, the last question, saying the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter away from the base. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower, let's call this as AB is the tower, and angle of elevation from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter away from the base. One point, let's say C, this is 4 meter away from the base. Another point, let's say D, this is how much? 9 meter away from the base. So the angle of elevation, elevation are complementary. Yes, the angle of elevations are complementary. These two angles are complementary. Okay. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. I have to prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So now in here, you see this one, let's take it as x. So this angle, it will become 90 minus x. Okay, because these two angles are complementary. That means if I add these two angles, I will get equals to 90 degree. So therefore, if one angle, if I take it as x, this angle, it will be 90 minus x. So in here I will use 10x is equals to AB by CB. So 10x degree is equals to AB by 4 I will get. So 4 10x degree is equals to AB I will get. Okay. Now again in this whole triangle, okay, in triangle ACB, again in this whole triangle ADB, 90 minus x degree, this will be is equals to AB by DB I will get. Okay, AB by DB I will get. So 90 minus theta, this is cot theta is equals to AB by DB I will get. So DB cot theta, DB cot x degree, this will be is equals to AB I will get. Okay, so this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So from 1 and 2, what I got? Right hand side equal there. So left hand side I can say equal. That is 410 x degree. It is equals to dB cot x degree. Okay. So now in here what I have to prove that the height of the tower. Okay, height of the tower. I have to prove that this is equals to 6 meter. So now in here you see 410x degree, this is equals to cot x, means I can write dB by 10x degree. Okay, 10x if I bring dB, in here one thing it is given, you see from a distance 2.4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower, or dB value it is given. dB value it is given as 9 meter. Okay, dB value it is given as 9 meter it is given. So in here, sorry, instead of doing this, instead of doing this, Instead of this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, now what I will do, 1 into 2 I will do. Okay, these two equation I will multiply it. So therefore I will get 4 tan x degree into dB cot x degree. This will be is equals to AB the whole square I will get. Okay, AB the whole square I will get. So in here 4 tan x degree into cot x degree, I can add 1 by 10 x degree. That means I will get dB by 10 x degree is equals to AB the whole square. So this cut 4 dB is equals to AB the whole square. So dB. Now dB value it is given 9. So 4 into 9 is equals to AB square I will get. This is 36 is equals to AB square I will get. So 6 square is equals to AB square I will get. 6 square is equals to AB square I will get. So 6 meter is equals to AB I will get. Therefore this is proved. They understand? Therefore this is proved. Therefore the height of the tower, it is how much? 6 meter. Understand? So with this video, our exercise 9.1 it is over. Okay, with this video our exercise 9.1 this is over. That means our trigonometry chapter it is over. So next I will go to, in our next video we will go to chapter 3. Okay, we will go to chapter 3 here. So in our next video we will discuss this chapter 3, which is pairs of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Okay, thank you.